33% of adults in the United States are at risk for kidney disease. That's 1 in 3 people. Kidney disease is a major public health concern. Kidney disease often goes undetected until it is very advanced. Unfortunately, this is when someone would need dialysis or a transplant. The key is to find kidney disease before the trouble starts. Regular testing for everyone is important, but it is especially important for people at risk. Whether you've just been diagnosed with chronic kidney disease, have been on dialysis for some time or are waiting for a transplant, there are a number of ways to prolong the life of your kidneys and improve your overall health. Maintaining an active lifestyle and nutritious diet may help prevent kidney problems. Most importantly, they filter waste products, excess water, and other impurities from your blood. These waste products are stored in your bladder and later expelled through urine. In addition, your kidneys regulate pH, salt, and potassium levels in your body. They also produce hormones that regulate blood pressure and control the production of red blood cells. Your kidneys are also responsible for activating a form of vitamin D that helps your body absorb calcium for building bones and regulating muscle function. Maintaining kidney health is important to your overall health and general well-being. By keeping your kidneys healthy, your body will filter and expel waste properly and produce hormones to help your body function properly. Tips to help keep your kidneys healthy. Keep active and fit. Regular exercise is good for more than just your waistline. It can lower the risk of chronic kidney disease. It can also reduce your blood pressure and boost your heart health, which are both important for preventing kidney damage. You don't have to run marathons to reap the reward of exercise. Walking, running, cycling, and even dancing are great for your health. Find an activity that keeps you busy and have fun. It'll be easier to stick to it and have great results. Manage your blood sugar. People with diabetes, or a condition that causes high blood sugar, may develop kidney damage. When your body's cells can't use the glucose, sugar, in your blood, your kidneys are forced to work extra hard to filter your blood. Over years of exertion, this can lead to life-threatening damage. However, if you can manage your blood sugar, you reduce the risk of damage. Also, if the damage is caught early, a doctor can take steps to reduce or prevent additional damage. Monitor blood pressure. High blood pressure can cause kidney damage. If high blood pressure occurs with other health issues like diabetes, heart disease, or high cholesterol, the impact on your body can be significant. A healthy blood pressure reading is 120/80. Pre-hypertension is between that point and 139/89. Lifestyle and dietary changes may help lower your blood pressure at this point. If your blood pressure readings are consistently above 140/90, you may have high blood pressure. You should talk with a doctor about monitoring your blood pressure regularly, making changes to your lifestyle, and possibly taking medication. Eat healthy, and monitor weight. Your kidneys process everything you eat or drink, including anything that's bad for you, like lots of fat, salt, and sugar. Over time, a bad diet can lead to high blood pressure, obesity, diabetes, and other conditions that are hard on your kidneys. A balanced diet that's low in sodium, processed meats, and other kidney-damaging foods may help reduce the risk of kidney damage. Focus on eating fresh ingredients that are naturally low in sodium, such as cauliflower, blueberries, fish, whole grains, and more. Drink plenty of fluids. There's no magic behind the cliché advice to drink 8 glasses of water a day, but it's a good goal precisely because it encourages you to stay hydrated. Regular, consistent water intake is healthy for your kidneys. Water helps get important nutrients to your kidneys and move waste to your bladder in the form of urine. If you don't drink enough, the tiny filters inside your kidneys can get stopped up and lead to kidney stones and infections. Quit smoking. Smoking damages your body's blood vessels. This leads to slower blood flow throughout your body and to your kidneys. Smoking raises your risk of kidney cancer and damages blood vessels, which affects your kidneys by slowing blood flow to them. Plus, smoking can affect certain drugs that treat high blood pressure. This is serious because uncontrolled high blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney disease. Keep your salt intake to a minimum. Foods high in salt can really put a strain on your kidneys. Try to keep your sodium intake to less than 2,000 milligrams per day. Remember that restaurant meals and ready meals from grocery stores are loaded with salt. One restaurant meal can easily account for a whole day's worth of salt. Make meals at home, with healthy ingredients, to make sure your diet remains low in salt. Don't overdo certain medications. Some pills or medications such as ibuprofen and naproxen can damage your kidneys if you take them regularly for chronic pain, headaches, or arthritis. According to the National Kidney Foundation, these medications should not be taken for more than 10 days for pain, or more than 3 days for fever. Regularly taking more than 8 aspirin tablets each day may reduce your kidney function temporarily or permanently. Get screened. It's important to know your risk for kidney disease. It's more likely if you or close relatives have heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, or a family history of kidney failure. In these cases, your doctor might suggest specific kidney tests as part of your regular checkup. The earlier you catch it, the easier it is to treat and sometimes even stop.